All right, y'all, today is September the 15th, 2020, and we're going to get our first harvest today, finally. And of course, it's going to be charred, given nothing else is ready yet. So we're going to get this charred here, use it for probably a chicken salad, and I'll probably blend some up in the blender with some turmeric, fresh turmeric root, fresh ginger root, vinegar, and probably carrots. Give me a nice old drink, you know, to help my inflammation decrease in the body. You know, I got this ear infection happening. Got to try to get this thing healed because I'm tired of this ringing in my ears. So I got my scissors here. Got a strainer here to put the charred leaves in. And so the way you want to harvest this stuff is go down to the base of the stem, cut the stem, and yeah, so it's best to start with the larger leaves. Okay, therefore once you finish the larger leaves, or take out the larger leaves, there'll be energy left to grow the smaller leaves. All right, so there's one there. Get this thing here. Just a few of them, not too many. Get this beautiful leaf there. Look how big it is. I love that one. Very beautiful. Let's get it. You really don't need scissors to do this. Some people just break it off with their hands. But I want a clean cut, so I'm going to use scissors. Nice and big. So you can eat the leaves and the stems. Wait on that one. I'm going to go around the other side here. There's a few big ones over there. First little harvest. Yeah, a beautiful one there. Here's a big one. This plant here, I took about, matter of fact, the first two I took off this, right? So this thing here got some big leaves on it. It has grown very well. My pile of pecans right there that the crazy old squirrels broke off the tree. They decided they didn't like those, and about another 1,000 pecans on the ground here, so they threw them down. I think I may have discussed it already, but for those of you who did not hear that part, all right, so that one was the what is that, pink? Like a pink, a burgundy look. This one here, I don't know what color that is. It's weird. It's a weird color, like a off green, some kind of off green. So we're gonna go and get some of that. I don't know if they taste different or not. The different colors. Because like I say, this is our first harvest, and I've never had charred before, just the other night. So those are some big leaves there. Yeah, we got one here from the same plant. I don't know what makes some of these plants grow bigger than the other. Get that one up in there. Yep. This big guy here. Yes. Same plant. About what? 5 leaves? Is it? Yeah. No. 6. 1, 2. Yeah, 6. 6 leaves. See, can we do a lucky number 7 here? Okay. I want to fall up in there. Okay, let's go back to the one we started with. I think, no, I'll tell you what. Let's go and get this one here. Way up in there. Oh, as a matter of fact, this one, that was in the first plant, part of the first plant. So let's go ahead and cut this one off. I'm stuttering. Zoom in thing. There we go. Fresh cut. 7. I think that may be enough, right? Yeah, it's gonna be enough. It's enough for today. All right, so these are the larger leaves, which are a little bit more tougher and more bitter than some of the smaller leaves. Of course, like I said on I think a previous video, that the smaller leaves are a lot tender and sweeter. The smaller leaves are a lot tender and sweeter than the larger leaves. This stem here is one I broke off last night. I broke it from here at the top instead of the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip that stem off at the bottom and then eat that stem up. Some nutrients in that stem, so can't let nothing go to waste. All right, so anyway, that's our first harvest. The evening of the 15th of September. Hopefully I set the right date at the beginning of the video, but anyway, so that's that. All right, so let's get back up in the house. Go ahead and make my salad, and we'll make our salads, and make me a nice little concoction to decrease inflammation in the body, help me heal these allergies and this ear infection I've been constantly dealing with for the last 4 months. All right, people, I appreciate y'all for joining. I'll holler back at y'all on the next one. Y'all have a good night.